Hola chavales. Les voy a explicar cómo se usan los verbos como gustar, okay? So this, I hope, is a review, but I see a lot of mistakes with these sorts of verbs that are different with students in Spanish 3 all the way up to Spanish 5, okay? So it's just going to be a quick review of this, okay? Verbos como gustar son diferentes que los demás verbos, okay? So this is from your vocab, verbos como gustar, que vamos a practicar, right? So we have gustar, but there's all these other sort of verbs that act just like gustar, okay? That we use to kind of give our opinions. So in this unit, when we're talking about ourselves and who we are, what we like to do, we can also say what's important to us, or what we think is boring, or what we love, right? Or people that we like, things that are interesting, okay, etc. But these verbs are different than other verbs, okay? They're not like other verbs. When I say, oh, I speak español, I can say yo hablo, or yo como, or yo voy, right? But with these verbs, you don't do that. You can't say yo gusto hamburguesas. That is incorrecto, right? You can't say te gustas las clases, even though we're talking about two, and usually those things end with an S, right? Like hablas español. In this case, no, it's not te gustas las clases, right? That is incorrecto. Nos gustamos todo. If we're saying nosotros, usually it ends in amos, right? Hablamos, escribimos. But in this case, no, that is incorrecto, okay? So these verbs like gustar are different, and we're going to be reminded of how that's the case, okay? So what I do is when we're talking about verbos como gustar, siempre hay dos preguntas. La primera pregunta es, who are we talking about? Who is the person? That's sort of like expressing this opinion, right? In this case, it's tú, okay? A ti. So then, which one of these indirect objects are we going to use? Well, in this case, it's going to be, if it's a ti, it is te, right? Te. And then the second question, how many are there? This thing that we're talking about. Las ciencias, right? This is what we are saying that is interesting to us. Well, is this thing one thing or more than one thing? Well, in this case, we know it's more than one thing porque es las ciencias. Las ciencias, so we are going to put an N on the end of the verbo, right? Interesan, las ciencias interesan. Te interesan las ciencias, okay? A ti te interesan las ciencias. You are interested in science, or science is interesting to you. Okay, that's what we're saying here. One thing to remember, something that really comes up a lot, okay, is that there's an a in front of it. If you're gonna say this part, tú, you can't say tú. You can't say tú te interesan. Eso es incorrecto. You're gonna say a ti te interesan las ciencias, okay? So let's do another practice here. Two questions. The first one, who are we talking about? Who is this person that is expressing this opinion? Well, in this case, it's ustedes, right? So, which one of the indirect pronouns are we going to use? Les, right? Les, how many are there? Okay, so how many of this thing are there? Is it one or more than one? If it's one, then gustar is going to end in an A. If it's more than one, it's going to end in an N. Well, in this case, el baile es gusta, right? A ustedes les gusta. And again, don't forget, you can't just simply say ustedes les gusta. That's not grammatically correct. You can either say a ustedes les gusta or simplemente les gusta. Okay, two questions. Again, who are we talking about here? Right? Who is the person we're talking about? Well, in this case, we're talking about me. Yo. Right? A mí. Me. Right? And then how many of this thing, right? Will this verb be in plural or singular or plural? Well, in this case, it's a verb. It's dibujar. Any verb is singular, okay? So, dibujar is one verb, one thing. Encanta dibujar, right? It's going to end in with the vowel instead of an N, okay? A mí me encanta dibujar, right? I love to draw, okay? And again, remember, this is important. You cannot say yo me encanta. That is a error I see all the time. Yo me encanta. That is incorrecto. Okay? A mí me encanta dibujar. That is correct. Or simply me encanta dibujar, which is probably more useful. Okay, one last one. Two questions, right? Who are we talking about? Well, in this case, we're talking about ella, right? She is the person we're talking about. So, which one of these words are we going to use? We're going to use le. See? Because it's a ella, we use le. How many are there in this case? Well, we have sus amigas. That means we have more than one, right? We have more than one amiga aquí. That means it's plural, right? So it's going to end, in this case, in an N. Le caen bien sus amigas, okay? And again, don't forget that you can't just say ella le caen bien. That's incorrect. You can say a ella, or you can say simply le caen bien. In this case, a ella le caen bien sus amigas means she likes her friends. She gets along with her friends, okay? So, en clase vamos a practicar más, pero eso fue nomás un video de repaso. Muchas gracias, chicos.